Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can auto scroll on TikTok. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the TikTok application. Click on TikTok and you need to update your TikTok application. As you can see, my TikTok is up to date. Then you simply need to go back and open TikTok and hold any video that is currently playing onto your screen, and here you can see, let me close this, hold the video, and here you can see auto scroll option. Click on that and now you can see this option. So once that video will be completed, the next video will be played. So this is the process by which you can turn on auto scroll on TikTok. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.